Now it's time to bleed the brakes. So we'll start with the master cylinder. So we'll get it taken off, put it in the vise, and we'll bench bleed it, and I'll show you how. So stay tuned. So this is how you bench bleed a master cylinder. First thing you want to make sure is you got your fluid at a high level, and you can make your lines, but you're going to go from line into the reservoir from both sections, and then make sure it's below the level. And next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a screwdriver and slowly press in. And you can see the air bubbles. And you want to continue to do this until all the fluid is in the line. So like I said, you want to continue this until all your air bubbles are out of the line. And once you eliminated all the air bubbles, then you're finished. So that's how you bench bleed the master cylinder. So we'll get it put back on the truck, and then we'll start bleeding the lines.